Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to show you how to hang the pictures or any kind of wall hangings on a drywall without damaging it. It comes very handy when you're renting the place and you don't want to repair the wall when you move out, like a year later. Therefore, we're going to use these monkey hooks. They are not intrusive at all. They just make it like pinhole, and when you remove it, you just patch it with a caulk if you have to touch up, but most of the time you don't even have to touch up. We are already measured out the center of the wall. We put this device, it's a laser. I don't know if you'll be able to see the red line coming over. Another thing we need to do is find the stud and make sure the stud is not on a line where you want to hang the pictures. In our case, we are good to go, and that's how they look. They're pretty much a piece of wire. It's like hardened wire, so it's like a spring metal. Now we need to find out how high we want our pictures and put it on that laser line. We are hanging this certificate on this height, so we're gonna mark 1 and 2 dots on the laser line. Take the monkey hook, and the way you install it, you grab it, you grab the monkey hook, you put it through the drywall, make sure it's going through. Once the hole is there, you just work it in so the hook is straight. Again, these hooks are installed. You can hang up to 35 pounds on a smaller one, up to 50 pounds on a bigger one. They come in 2 different sizes. So we're using the small ones because certificates we're hanging not even 1 pound. So 35 pounds, like, it's a little bit overkill. But the best thing, if you have to remove it, you just take one out. And that's how much damage you got on the wall. So you put the little caulk on it, you probably don't even have to paint it. So again, it's removable. And what's happening, let's say this door is your drywall. When you're going in and working it in, it's hitting the top of the drywall, and you can hang a lot of weight on it. Let me hang the certificates on it so you'll see how it looks. Now you have your certificate. It's a little mounting bracket here. You're just looking at the hook, putting it up, and you just want to make sure it's level. Get the second one. Same deal. Just hook it on the hook. Make sure it's level. And that's pretty much centered. This Legacy Handyman, we use the monkey hooks to hang the pictures or wall hangings. They are in the description below. You can buy it on the link, and they come in 2 different sizes, smaller one for 35 pounds, bigger one for 50 pounds. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thank you.